Does walking into a coffee shop make you nervous? It happens fast. There's loud music, the machine is noisy, and the barista is waiting for you to speak. A lot of English learners freeze up here and they point at the menu and say, latte. But today we're going to fix that. I'm going to give you the exact script, the tactics, and some vocabulary that native speakers use to order. By the end of this video, you won't just order coffee, you're going to order like a local. The secret to confidence is knowing what happens next. Think of a coffee order as a map. We call this the interaction roadmap. It always follows the same 5 steps. 1, the greeting. 2, the order. 3, the customization. 4, the upsell, and 5, the exit. If you follow this map, you can't get lost. Let's start with step 1. When you get to the counter, the barista will say, "Hi, how are you?" This is a greeting, not a conversation. They don't need your life story. The most natural native response is just 2 words. Good. You? Say it with me. Good. You? Now, look at the pro tip on the screen. If the cafe is crazy busy, there's a long line behind you, and this is very common in a lot of cafes, especially big cafes like Starbucks. We use the busy signal, okay? We skip the good you. Just say hi and start your order immediately. It's actually more polite because it saves time and it makes people less stressed. Now, step 2 is the order. Stop saying "I want," and definitely stop saying "give me." In English, "give me" sounds aggressive, like you're robbing the bank. To sound soft and polite, we use the magic phrase, "Can I get a?" Or if you want to be extra polite, "Could I have a?" Now, you'll notice a lot of American English speakers will say, "Can I get a?" And British speakers would say, "Could I have a?" But in reality, we both say both. It's okay. Either way. It flows together though. So you should say it almost as quickly as me. It sounds like one word. Can I get a? Can I get a? Okay. Can I get a medium latte? Can I get a large iced tea? It's that simple. Just memorize, "Can I get a?" And you're 90% there. Step 3 is the details. This is where you customize your drink. First, milks. If you don't say anything, you're going to get regular milk. But you can ask for oat, almond, whole, or skim milk. Some places have more options still. Next is the space. If you go to a place like Starbucks especially, they're ready for you to say how much space you want at the top of your coffee in case you want to add some milk at the end. So look at the slide. If you'd like to add your own milk or sugar at the table, then you need space. So you'd say, "Leave room for cream." This tells the barista, don't fill it to the top. And finally, temperature. If you want it very, very hot, just ask for extra hot coffee. But if it's summer, you could ask for iced coffee. All right. In some cafes, you also have the option to ask for a flavor. So say 1 pump of vanilla or 2 pumps of vanilla, up to you. Okay, you ordered, but wait, the barista asks you a question you didn't expect. Anything else with that? Or want a pastry? This is the upsell. They're trying to sell you more food. But don't panic, okay? You have 2 buttons you can push here. Button 1 is saying yes. You can say, "Actually, yeah, I'll have a muffin." Button 2 is to just say no. You can say, "Oh, no, that's it. Thanks." No, that's it. Thanks. That phrase is your period. It tells them that you're finished talking and you're ready to pay. Finally, step 5, the exit. You will ask one last question, usually very fast. Actually, they will ask you, one last question. For here or to go? For here means that you're staying at a table in the cafe. To go means that you are leaving. Pick one, for here or to go, and then hand over your card if you're paying with card, or you can simply say, "Card, please." Then listen for your name and you're done. Okay, so let's put it all together here. I'm going to act this out at natural speed. Okay. Hi there. How are you? Good, thanks. Can I get a medium latte with oat milk? Sure. Would you like a pastry with that? Actually, yeah. I'll have a blueberry muffin. Do you want that warmed up? Yes, please. For here or to go? To go, thanks. Cash or card? Card, please. Thank you. Have a great day. You too. Thank you. Now, I want to see your order. In the comments below, I want you to write your go-to coffee order using the magic phrase, "Can I get a?" Start typing, "Can I get a?" and tell me what you drink. I'll check the comments and check your grammar and help you perfect it. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more real-world English. See you in the next video. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.